Did you know that a horse that's the color cremello is actually chestnut? Did you know a horse that's the color perlino is bay? And can you guess what this color is? It's black. And all of that is possible because of something called the cream gene. So let's get into it. So according to UC Davis, horses with the NN genotype will not be cream dilute and cannot transmit this cream dilution variant to their offspring. And basically in this example, NN is just meaning a horse that does not carry the cream gene. Horses with N/CR, which is a horse with one variant of the cream gene, are cream dilute and may transmit this cream dilute variant to 50% of their offspring. With NN genotype will result in a 50% chance of producing a cream dilute foal. Basically what that means is if you have one parent that has the cream gene and one parent that does not have the cream gene, and you have a 50% chance of having a foal with a cream gene. But because the resulting foal would only have one cream gene, you would, for example, if the horse was chestnut, end up with a palomino. If your horse was bay, you would end up with a buckskin. And if your horse was black, you would end up with a smoky black. So the chestnut, bay, and your black are your base colors. And the cream gene dilutes the base colors. But what happens if you have two parents with the cream gene? Well, horses with the CR/CR genotype are double dilute and will pass this cream dilute variant on to all of their offspring. So if two chestnuts both have the cream gene, you will end up with a cremello. If two bay horses have the cream gene, you'll end up with a perlino. And if two black horses have the cream gene, you'll end up with a smoky cream. Now, I think horses that have the cream gene are just beautiful. Their colors are so beautiful, whether it be a single dilute, like a buckskin or a palomino or a smoky black, or when you're talking about a smoky cream, cremello, or perlino. Just beautiful coloring. But now I want to know what you think. What do you think about horses with the cream gene? Yay or nay on the coloring? Would you ever own one? Have you ever owned one? Let me know in the comments below.